Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display cable on a Dell Inspiron 15 version 3573. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery. Remove optical drive screws. Using a plastic scribe, push to release the optical drive from the optical drive bay. Next, use a plastic scribe to release tabs and remove keyboard bezel. Now use a plastic scribe to release tabs and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Now remove upper palmrest screws. Now remove bottom palmrest screws. Then use fingers to pry apart base cover. Next, unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Now peel back adhesive and disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and lift right hinge. Then unscrew and lift left hinge. Next, remove display assembly. Gently use fingers and pry edges of bezel to release the display assembly. Now remove bezel from the display assembly. Then unscrew and turn over screen. Now disconnect and remove screen. Now unscrew and remove left hinge rail. Then disconnect and remove display cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.